Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing another unboxing. It's been a little while since I've ordered stuff. I think my last unboxing was the Dermalogica unboxing, and even though that video came out 2 weeks ago, I actually bought that stuff like a month ago. Anyway, so today's video is an unboxing. I have been shopping in new places that I have heard of but I just never bought from there before. Today's unboxing is a cult beauty unboxing. Now I feel like if you're skincare obsessed, if you're a makeup junkie, if you just like really nice things, then you have obviously heard of Cult Beauty. You've probably even shopped there before. I was one of those people that was always like lurking on the website but never actually shopped there before. But then last week, Lunar, I'm going on a quick tangent. Absolutely love Lunar. I'm really obsessed with her style. I love her warm, bubbly personality. She is definitely one of my favorite all-time influencers. I absolutely love her. So Lunar had a 15% off Cult Beauty code last week, and I really feel like that was the push I needed to dip toe into Cult Beauty. So that is why I made my first purchase, and that is how we're here for this Cult Beauty unboxing. If you want to see all the goodies that I bought, make sure you keep on watching. So I've got my box here, I've got my trusty scissors, and we're going to, I don't even need scissors for this. And okay, I actually love unboxings so much because I love seeing how brands present themselves to you, and I think especially if you're a first time buyer, I feel like the way that the boxes look just make the biggest impression. So I'm all here for it. Inside it says, go on, try it now, we know you want to. Listen guys, my wish list on Cult Beauty is already so full, so I will most definitely be buying from Cult Beauty in the future. So like I said, Cult Beauty sell skincare, makeup, hair care. Let me quickly get onto their website so we can talk through shenanigans. So yes, so Cult Beauty, they sell all sorts of things. They sell skincare, makeup, fragrance, hair products, bath and body products, well-being products, tools. They even have stuff for men, and they have mini versions of things as well on their website. They have all of the big names including Benefit, Chantecaille, Charlotte Tilbury, Dr. Barbara Sturm, Dennis Gross, Drunk Elephant, Fresh. You guys know I love Fresh. They have NARS, they've got Sunday Riley, they've got Pixie, they've got Too Faced, they've got so many brands and so many products. I kind of feel like it is the skincare, beauty, makeup destination if you are looking for any products, because they have pretty much every single brand. Like I said, this is the first time that I've ordered from Cult Beauty. In terms of delivery, I feel like delivery was like, I don't know, delivery was like 3-ish days. To be honest, I actually can't remember. But I'm pretty sure that I bought this stuff last week and it arrived on like Monday or Tuesday. So I would say that delivery is like 3 to 5 working days. Obviously over bank holidays and stuff, it might be a bit longer. You can also get next day delivery, but I feel like you need to pay extra for that. So yeah, so that is just like the basics on Cult Beauty. But obviously I'm sure that you guys shop on Cult Beauty anyway, so you guys already know that. So let's get straight into the unboxing. This is what the box looks like. So it's like this. I've got my black tissue paper. I really love black tissue paper. I feel like it's so sleek and so like luxurious. So I've got this, and then I've got my beauty products. Oh my god. It would seem, okay, now you guys know that I am on my dark spot hyperpigmentation journey. I've already shared a couple of videos. So basically the products that I got from Cult Beauty are products I've actually talked about on this channel before. So I got the Sunday Riley Good Genes Glycolic Acid Treatment. I have honestly heard so much stuff about this glycolic acid treatment. Good Genes, I feel like, is actually just synonymous with good skin. I don't even know what else to say about this. This is their glycolic acid treatment. On the box it says clean purified glycolic acid deeply exfoliates and repairs the look of dull, congested and sun damaged skin for a visibly radiant, healthier looking complexion. I have high hopes for this treatment just because every skincare person has raved about this, so I am hoping that this will work wonders for my skin. Obviously this is just an unboxing, so I'm not going to go too much into this, but once I start using this I will have a full video dedicated to this treatment. I was doing some reading and there are actually two good genes. So one good genes is this glycolic acid treatment, which is what they sell in the EU, but in America and other parts of the world they sell the lactic acid treatment, which is basically the same thing, but this glycolic acid has more glycolic acid in it, whereas the other lactic acid uses mostly lactic acid. But for legal reasons you can't sell a product with more than like 7% lactic acid. I don't know, I was reading some random stuff, but again, once I start using this product then I will do a full video on like all of the ins and outs and all that good stuff. Then I kind of feel like if you are familiar with Good Genes, then you kind of already know what product I also bought to use alongside Good Genes. I bought the Sunday Riley Lunar sleeping oil. This oil is said to pair really well with the Good Genes and that you're actually supposed to use them together. So I thought, let me just buy it and then I can properly use it together to get a greater feel for it. This is a next generation retinoid oil, reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while fighting the signs of premature aging and surface redness. Ooh. Again, I'm not going to go too much into this in this video. When I start using this then I will go more in depth on it. And yeah, I feel like I just bought this because, like I said, lots of people and even the Good Genes website recommended using the Good Genes and the Lunar sleeping oil together, so I figured let me do that. What's funny about this Lunar Sleep oil is that I really wish I had also bought the UFO oil. I know that in my UFO oil video I was saying how much I did like it, but it didn't work to my expectations. I feel like since I've stopped using it I can really feel such a difference in my face. You know those products that when you use them you can't really tell that they're doing anything for you, but then when you stop using them that's when you notice that things are wrong? That is definitely what the UFO oil is for me. It really helped to just, you know, keep my skin like very hydrated, very nourished, very like clean looking and feeling. It made my skin feel so plump, like when I touched my cheeks there was just so much goodness in there. But I haven't used the oil in about a month and a half, and listen, my face still feels good because of the other stuff that I've been using, but I really do miss using the UFO oil, so I will definitely be buying that next time because it's literally such a good oil. But I digress. And then next I got some samples. So on Cult Beauty, if you spend over £50 then they let you pick 2 samples. So I actually picked 2 samples, but they have not sent both of them. They've sent one sample twice, which, you know what, I'm not mad at, but it would have been nice to get the other sample, but again it was free so I'm not really that bothered about it. Also, when you know what the product is that they sent me twice, I feel like so I guess like the last thing that I got for samples that they sent me 2 of was the Dr. Barbara Sturm face mask. Now guys, her products, I've never used them, but I have heard so many good things about her products and I have been wanting to use her products for at least like 5 years, but her products are literally like £200 for like one thing. So obviously I'm not at that level yet to buy that stuff that costs that much money. So I've just kind of been like looking at her stuff like, oh, that would be nice. But then lo and behold, Cult Beauty did have some of her samples. So obviously I had to pick up her samples because I was like, I need to know if these products genuinely work, because if they do then I can just save up for them and then in time I will afford them, hopefully. The samples don't really say anything on these face masks, but these are just intensive face masks. Dr. Barbara Sturm, if you don't know, is a really great skin doctor. I've listened to podcasts with her in. So many celebrities and regular people absolutely love her products. Her products genuinely work. They are very results driven, and so obviously I'm just a super Barbara Sturm fan, so I'm very excited to have these face masks. Oh my god. And you can see that I'm not that mad that they sent me 2 of these instead of one of this and another face mask, because listen, Barbara, I love ye. So those are the samples that I got. When I use these then I will definitely make a separate video. And that is literally everything that came in my box. Ooh, I reached the bottom of the box. I don't know if you can see that, And in the bottom it says this box and everything in this box, from the box to the tape, can be recycled. I love that they say there's no planet B, which I absolutely love. So I will definitely be recycling this box, and I will be recycling the paper. And yeah guys, I feel like that is all for this unboxing. I hoped you liked it. Let me know if you have shopped on Cult Beauty before. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, what you liked, what you don't like, or if there are any other products that you think I might like on Cult Beauty. Obviously guys, I will let you know how these products work on my dark spots. If you haven't already, make sure you check out my other hyperpigmentation dark spot videos, because there's a lot going on. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and in the meantime I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.